Ever wonder what it's like to be buried alive? Well, maybe tonight will be your lucky night then.
Fortune favors the bold, and if it's a treasure you seek, this gruesome grave robber might be the perfect person to help you find it. That is, if you're willing to get your hands dirty. Dressed in blood-spattered clothing, a large overcoat keeps him covered in the darkest mausoleum, while his boots stay on the ready for the next job. His fearsome face is old and weathered, while silver hair sprinkles out and onto his tired shoulders, all covered by a dusty, dirty top hat.
The things I've seen would make your skin crawl.
This thrilling thief and his ornithological assistant have a penchant for the rich at rest, and they're itching to tell you all about it. When triggered, the grave robber readies his shovel, clenched by decrepit hands.
Some folks get superstitious about digging up the dead. Well, I can't blame them. The things I've seen would make your skin crawl.
The ever-watchful owl might like a treat or two for himself. His eyes glow bright yellow, keeping a lookout for the law. Or worse, fresh graves do seem to be popping up just about everywhere.